It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 9th of November. I'm James Spann. Today will be 52 consecutive days without measurable rain for Birmingham. We tie the record from 1924. We break the record tomorrow. But again, there is great hope for a pattern change in about a week that opens the door for rain to return here. So let's go in there and talk about it. There's a water vapor satellite view troughing just now east of the state. That came through yesterday for us in dry fashion. Parts of West and South Alabama had some rain, but for most of you watching this, nothing. Starting off the day, mostly in the 50s, although we see some 40s in East Alabama. Anniston 49, Fort Payne 48. The high today should be in the low 70s in most spots, very comfortable. Colder air north and west of Alabama, where we have frost and freeze warnings in effect. From Colorado and parts of the Texas Panhandle over into Missouri, Kentucky. We're going to see some pretty chilly nights in coming days here. And obviously, with a cool, dry, stable continental air mass, we're not going to have any thunder today, maybe on the immediate lower Texas coast, and that's it. But here's our problem. 7-day rain, familiar sight. That's nothing. This will be the longest dry spell on record for Birmingham by far, beating that 1924 record of 52 days. But again, beyond this period, there is great hope. All droughts end. Rain will come back. And we'll take a look at the longer range modeling here in a second. And the tropics are quiet. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, noon today, ridging up in the northern plains, troughing on the east coast east of here, and it's a dry air mass. Got some lingering clouds this morning. The sky becoming sunny this afternoon. The high should be in the low 70s. Tomorrow, beautiful fall day. Start the day in the low 40s. The high, again, low 70s in most places. Same thing Friday. Friday morning can be pretty brisk. We could see some 30s. Most spots will see a low around 40. And then again, the high, low 70s. Really, low 70s are likely for the next 3 days. Now, Saturday at 10:31, high drops in from the north. Highs will drop into the 60s. The sky will be sunny. Great day for football. This is Sunday. Sunday morning is going to be pretty cold with a high getting closer to us, but the GFS backing off a little bit on the depth of the cold. It's still got 30s for north and northeast Alabama. Birmingham now at 41. We've seen these numbers all over the board, but whatever, a good chance Sunday morning will be the coldest morning so far this season. The high Sunday will be, again, in the mid-60s. Monday, 40s and 60s. Tuesday, we're still dry. High should be around 70, and this is a week from today, Wednesday the 16th. We'll watch the trough in the western states. That's going to produce a lot of snow out there. But again, we're dry. So for north central Alabama, 7 more days with no rain. But this is the end of the forecast, a negative tilt trough coming in. This is Friday of next week, the 18th. A deep surface low is over Minnesota, Wisconsin, with the trailing cold front and rain moving in here. And if this verifies, we would have rain the following day, which would be Saturday the 19th. Now, we'll check the European solution out here, same time frame. This is Friday the 18th. It's got a very vigorous upper trough with a lower latitude. And again, a pretty dynamic system coming in here. And that might open the door for severe weather. The GFS solution, probably not. And obviously, there's no skill in a specific solution out here. But again, with a pattern change, the door is open for rain to come back once that happens. And this seems to be the first opportunity. So we are all keeping our fingers crossed. And again, I think you're getting familiar with this chart. This is the European ensemble data through Christmas. And you can see how we go from the shades of white in that upper box, which is where we are now with no rain, to the shades of red and gray colors, and some of the members are suggesting over 10 inches of rain between now and Christmas Day. And of course, the rain window opens up in about 9 days from now. And the bottom, that's the ensemble mean, and it's got us over 6 inches. If you average all those 51 members, over 6 inches of rain from the end of next week through Christmas. And it sure looks like, if this verifies, December could be pretty active, and typically it is. And we have great optimism. Numbers not bad. The highs mostly in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s across the board for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.